Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, you will learn how you can merge two or more graphs in your spreadsheets and documents on Microsoft Excel without any technical skills. So let us guide you through this. So head over to a spreadsheet on Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, this example document here features two graphs, a line graph here and another one here to the right, each one featuring its own set of data and ranges. So guys, what you want to do is simply left click on the first line graph, and after that head over to the chart design tab here at the top. And to copy the data from the second line graph, guys, what you will need to do is click on or select data here under data. And after that, in that window here, select legend entries below, click on add. And after that here under series name, simply enter the name or type in the name of the column or series. In this case here would be contribution, because I would like to copy and add the data from that column. So what you want to do is simply type it in here. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is remove the default text here under series value and simply click on that button, on that arrow up icon here, and copy and highlight all the data you would like to apply, which in this case here is the data from that column. So highlight it. And after that, you will see the highlighted data here. Press enter to confirm that, and that is going to add that line graph with its own set of data to your first line graph. Confirm by clicking OK here again, and that is going to merge both graphs in one graph, as you can see, guys. So that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.